How to make font size medium on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make font size medium on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner uh, and go down until you find settings and then scroll down again. Here you will find the font size, click on it. And now all you need to do, if you want to make it medium, just select medium. And as you see now, font size have been changed to medium, as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.